Hey guys, welcome back again in MUO Sigma classes. We have to install this Express package. So type npm install Express, and also we will use body parser. Also we'll use CORS. That's it. Just install this, and I'm going to just copy some of the code here. Body parser, CORS, and port, nothing else. And here we have this line, which is very important. Now creating the server. That's perfect. And now we have to listen the server at a particular port. Perfect. ओके, सो अभी हमारी जो भी पैकेजेस हैं, द पैकेजेस आर इंस्टॉल नाउ. सो पैकेजेस इंस्टॉल हो चुके हैं, नथिंग एल्स इन दिस. जस्ट लुक एट हियर. नाउ एक्सप्रेस इंस्टॉल हो गया. दिस इज HTTP मॉड्यूल एंड दिस इज द बॉडी पार्सर पैकेज वी हैव. दिस इज द CORS पैकेज. सो ये तो हो गए हमारे जो भी हम लोगों ने इंपोर्ट किया है, रिक्वायर किए. एंड देन you can see guys, here we have this Express. So इस Express को हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर यूज किया है, and inside this app you can see we are using our body parser in this use function, and in this use function we are just defining our body parser like this here. Just ignore this line as of now, just ignore this line as of now, and ignore this line as of now. Then you can see for accessing from the cross platform we are using CORS package, and we are just using like this app.use. So this will apply at the global level of your backend project. And then we have to create the server. So using HTTP module, you can see here we are creating a server, and we are passing the app, which is basically Express module. So after creating the server, we have to listen the server at a specific port. So in this you can see we have listen function. In this function we are passing port at the very first parameter, and the port is basically default 4001. And in the callback we are just consoling this text, listening on port, the port. Let me just open the terminal, and if I will start my server by just typing a command npm install, this will not work. So we have to see this package.json. This is, you can see we have test. So we have to make the script. If you don't want to make a script here, then in this sense we have to run our server manually. So just type node, and this is the index.js file. So just type index. Now you can see we got an error. So you can see already in use. So we'll make a different port here, like say 4002. Hit command again. Now you can see listening on port 4002. सो अब देख सकते हैं आप कि यहाँ पर हमारा सर्वर लिसन कर रहा है स्पेसिफिक पोर्ट पर, और हमारा सर्वर क्रिएट हो चुका है बाय जस्ट राइटिंग दिस मच लाइन ऑफ कोड ओनली. एंड देन मैं इस लाइन को अनकमेंट मारूंगा, एंड इफ यू कैन सी हियर वी हैव दिस ऐप विच इज बेसिकली एक्सप्रेस, राइट. सो जब भी आप इसको हिट करेंगे, इस API को हिट करेंगे, एंड देन उसके बाद आप कुछ भी लिखेंगे, बिकॉज वी आर पुटिंग हियर स्टार जो कि एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, उस केस में आपको ये हम रिटर्न करेंगे. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स से अब अगर मैं एक्सेस करना चाहूं फ्रॉम द पोस्टमैन, and now